Stop! Before wasting money on expensive face masks, watch this. This simple homemade face mask use only 3 ingredients, but the results will shock you, my people. It cleans pores, dark spot, acne, dull skin, and also smoothing skin and brighten natural glow. No chemicals, no fake promise. If you want clean glowing skin naturally, do not skip this video. This video must be the video that you are searching for a long time ago. This is not a joke. This is the promise, and that promise is going to work if you start using. Hello my people, welcome back to Princess Hair Care channel. On this channel, we are sharing real skincare and beauty remedies that actually work. Today I will show you guys how simple face mask you can make it at home for glowing skin and dark spot. If you have dark spot, if you have acne, if you have dull skin, this thing is going to work perfect for you. First thing, I put 1 tablespoon of honey inside my bowl. So the next thing that I'm adding is my baking soda. I'm going to add half tablespoon. You can use half tablespoon or 1 teaspoon baking soda inside. Small amount having long way to go. So because of you put 1 tablespoon of honey, don't say that, oh, then you have to put 1 tablespoon of baking soda also inside. Just put half tablespoon or 1 teaspoon is going to be okay for you. So after add my baking soda into my honey, the next step that I'm taking is you have to start stirring it, mixing it together. Make sure the baking soda and the honey mix together very well. You have to be whipping it that way, in a way that maybe you can get it in a little bit white creaming form that you need to get it. We still have one more ingredient to add inside, but let's check and see the benefits of honey first. Honey is deep moisturizing the skin and fighting acne causing bacteria. It's also healing damaging skin and leaving skin soft and smooth and glowing naturally. While you are using honey in your routine, you are definitely going to get glassing skin that you are looking for. You are going to get it. I will explain to you people why. Now, the next ingredient I'm adding into my baking soda and my honey mixture is lemon. You don't need too much of lemon. You just need some drop of lemon to add inside. Less amount is having long way to go. Okay, please. So while you add your lemon, fresh lemon, when you add your fresh lemon, drop of it inside, the next thing you have to do, you have to continue mixing it. And this thing, don't make it too much and say you have to make it and put inside. It's good when you just do it like that. It can be okay for you to use it for 2 days, and that is all. One day you can make for 1 day, only once using, or 2 days using, because this face mask you can only use it for only 2 times per week, not too much. So don't make it too much to waste it. 2 times a week that you need to be applying this face mask. That is the consistency. 2 times a week is okay, but if we say 2 times a week, even you cannot do it, then you can just make it once in a week also. It's also good for you to be using it. So right now, let's go ahead and see baking soda. Baking soda, it's also gentle exfoliates dead skin cells. It also helps unlock pores and smoothing your skin. While you are using it, is going to smooth your skin and bright. If you have dark spot, wherever that you have your dark spot and you are using it, is going to fail it. And why after that, as you guys can see, I added a little bit drop of lemon also inside. But let me, before I explain to you guys for the lemon, you can see how I do. First, you need to wash your face thoroughly. Wash your face if possible. You can just use your cleanser to clean your face before you wash it with a warm water and come to apply this face mask. Do not apply this face mask while your face is dirty or while your face is not clean, okay? Always make sure to apply it while your skin is very clean. So let's check and see lemon. Lemon also helps to brighten dull skin and reduce dark spot and uneven skin tone. It also control excess oil from your face. Using it 2 to 3 times, is very good. Or 2 to 3 times drop. Yeah, it's okay. 2 to 3 times drop is okay. So don't make it too much. That one also don't make it too much. And this thing is not for making face mask and going under sun. Please, if you make it, you have to do it in the night. If you know that the weather is not good or you have to be indoor, don't go out after making this face mask. You don't need to make it and go be inside the sun, because while you are doing it to treat your skin, to glow your skin. But because of the lemon, it can cause your skin acid, also can cause your skin through from the sun. You can get a damage. So when you apply this face mask, please don't go inside the sun. And how long can you apply it? If you apply this face mask, how long can you apply it to wait? When you are applying it, try to be massaging your face gentle, okay? Pampering your face. Don't just put it anyhow and just go. You can just be massaging your face a little bit while you are applying it inside. So that's why even I don't use brush, because I need to be massaging, I'm massaging my face while I'm applying this face mask. So when you just do it 5 to 10 minutes is okay, not too much sitting. So maybe you may say you don't have time, so not too much sitting. You just sit 5 to 10 minutes. You go and use warm water and wash it. You can see the amount that's remaining. That one I pour inside my bottle, just small one like this. So tomorrow, that one also, it will be okay for me to use again, not too much. So in a week, only 2 times per week is okay. Okay, don't use it too much, please. Too much of everything is bad also. So two times, that is your consistency. So please stay tuned, because I will definitely going to wash my face and come back so that we all see how my face is going to be looking. You can see I have that side, my dark spot. I'm working on it. So guys, let's see. Okay, my people, now after I finish washing my face, this cream also I make it is for night bed. Night bed, when you are about to go to bed, or when it is night and you are at home, that, oh, okay, you just bath, you want to just use that one to moisturize your face. You can use, but make sure if you are applying, don't apply while there is sun, or you can just use your normal moisturizer cream to moisturize your face. But always make sure that when you are going to do it, don't use the chemical. If you know that you are using some chemicals and it has damaged your face before, don't use that chemicals again. Stop using it while you are starting doing this treatment to yourself. So please let me know in the comment section if you just watch it up to this point and you know that you haven't subscribed. Please subscribe, like and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. I'm reminding you people again, only 5 to 10 minutes, only 5 to 10 minutes that you need to wait and go and rinse it. Don't keep it for 30 minutes, 1 hour. It's not advisable. Only 5 to 10 minutes, okay? Quarter, if you say you just keep it long for your face, 10 minutes. But if it is normal time, 5 minutes is okay. You go and wash it. So come back and watch this cream also for the night bed cream. That one also is very powerful, and I'm seeing so many changes of my skin through from the things that I'm doing. I want you guys to cancel that we all start doing this thing together, okay? We're all going to be working our dark spot, working on our skin tone, also bright, get the glassing skin together. So come with me and we all start doing it together, okay? You can see my eyeballs, all is neat, no dating, no dark anything, no damaging. So because of those things, And mind you people, consistency is the key here. Okay, consistency is the key, because while you are using this thing, is good for you to be using the consistency. DIY face mask is good, but you have to be using the consistency. See me, oh, I'm just enjoying my face and I'm laughing. Oh, I'm so happy with the things that I'm using for my face. Thank you very much. Bye bye. I love you people. Okay. I love you guys. Bye.